Hello everyone, today's video is all about creating a NameCheap account. So let's create a NameCheap account together. It's super easy and you will be ready to grab your perfect domain in no time. First things first, open your NameCheap app. Now this is how the welcome page look like. So here you can see few buttons. There's a search button, setting button and login button. Now tap on setting button to create an account on NameCheap. Tap on it, then it will open two options for you. There's login and new account. As we're going to get NameCheap account, tap on new account. This is where you will enter the details. You will need to choose your username. You have to fill up your first name and last name, your email, and also have to create a password for sure. Let's do it. Pick the unique username that you like and that makes you unique from other two. Then enter your email address, create a password. Make sure it's a strong one. Let's skip it. So I'm directly using it from Google suggestion password. After I filled all this information, tap on create account and you are done. You have successfully created NameCheap account. See, easy peasy, right? Now we can explore the awesome things NameCheap has to offer. That's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.